I'm out for another property tour. This is 3724 Chapin Court. It sits on a dead-end street off of Chapin. So this is Chapin Court, dead ends. That right there is Chapin Road, which is only a couple stop signs away, 0.3 miles away from 820. Super convenient as far as getting over to the highway access. You have sidewalk here. And then also easy access to the schools. There are a couple schools right here. Also a designated bike lane on both sides. This sits on a corner lot, freshly renovated, ready for a new owner. A big fan of that maple that the neighbor has. It's beautiful. So let's take a look. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. As I said, freshly renovated, so it has this wood-like tile, it has a laminate, and it has brand new carpet. The whole house was repainted, added can lights, added all new hardware, bathroom tile, kitchen appliances, you name it, they've done it. So you have your lovely front formal living and dining here with an accent light. Right here off the front entry, you have the garage. It is a 2-car garage, plus has some extra space here, and it does have a gas water heater. There's your attic access. All the window treatments were replaced. You have these nice blinds. They are the super convenient ones that I love, that you don't have extra poles. You just pop them up and they stay. These are double pane windows. Into the kitchen. So as I mentioned, you have new stainless steel appliances. You also have these beautiful new quartz countertops. You have pulls on all the cabinets. The cabinets were redone. New backsplash. These cabinets are adjustable. Nice deep sink. Fancy hardware on everything. You also have this nice sized island, really kind of centers the space, great for prep, and a lovely little coffee bar over there. The island has power, great for extra storage. And then you have this designated breakfast area right off of the kitchen. Once again, you have these accent lights and a lot of natural light coming through this window. You have a pony wall that separates this breakfast area from the main family area. So this house has 4 bedrooms plus 2 living rooms and 2 dining spaces. So very versatile, great for working from home or having different living spaces. You do have a designated pantry here off the kitchen. And you notice when I walked you into the garage, you didn't have to go through the laundry room. That's because the laundry room has its own separate space. You don't have to walk through the laundry to get to your garage. Extra storage in here as well. And then into the primary bedroom. Nice and wide, enough space for a king-size bed there between the 2 windows. Ceiling fan, tall ceilings in here. And then this goes into the primary bath. They completely redid the shower, including a frameless shower door and really nice accent tile. I'm a huge fan of not just having a pan, but having actual tile, and having this little niche is a nice touch. And you have 2 separate heads there. You have the rainfall and the wand. Garden tub, nice and deep, as well as this little prep space. Oh, there's me. You have new vanity and countertops in here as well, and they wanted to add a little bit of splash of color with these bold mirrors with the rose gold color. You have your WC over here tucked away, and then into the walk-in closet, which also has new carpet as well and has plenty of storage. I'm a fan of all the storage in this house. And it even has a medicine cabinet, which we don't see on new construction these days. So it's a nice little throwback to still have that. Good size primary bathroom. You'll notice that there weren't any secondary bedrooms on this hall because this is a split floor plan house. So you have your primary tucked away, and then you have all your secondary bedrooms down that hall. Let's take a look at the main family room. You have a gas log fireplace, or a gas starter fireplace. So you put your wood logs in there, or you can convert it to a gas log if you wanted. Nice ceiling fan. They added can lights throughout a lot of the house. Plenty of space to put in a big sectional or a 3-piece set, and your door to the backyard. Also, you have a closet here, convenient for coats. And then down the hall for the secondary bedrooms, you have the secondary bathroom. Also has been completely renovated, new vanity, toilet, tile, all the things. And in here you have a extra linen closet designated for the guest bedrooms. On to the 3 other bedrooms. Did want to point out the new Honeywell control there for your air conditioning. Into bedroom 2, also has a ceiling fan, looks out on the backyard. I'm also a really big fan of these nice tall baseboards. They did it right. You'll notice that there's not quarter round over here because they did bring new baseboards when the floors were all redone. And then into the guest bedroom closet. They're just kind of standard size closets in these secondary bedrooms. Also, I know you guys don't have smell-o-vision, but I just want to let you know it does not have any weird smells. Sometimes when a house has been fully renovated, it is because of something unsavory that they had to fix over. That is not the case. It doesn't smell like smoke or anything funky happened in the house. Just smells like newer paint. Another closet in here. Also, you'll notice these are like 2-panel doors. Also, some of them are the 6-panel doors, so it just kind of varies on which doors got updated. Here is bedroom 4, also has ceiling fan. And then this one has the double door there for the walk-in closet, or access closet. You also have access for your plumbing system for the shower, which if you've ever had to do maintenance on your shower, you know that that is a really nice thing to have. It will allow you to not have to break up drywall if you need to get into your plumbing. Headed back into this living space. Wanted to give you all a second look at this kitchen area. Definitely the center of the home here. I could see having a nice breakfast bar over here and having, hangout space in the front, maybe a pool table, and then having your main entertaining space here. Couches, big TV here or here. You have options because it is pre-wired. Now let's go take a look in the backyard. The backyard does have a covered patio. And it's a nice size slab here. You have a new fence along this side. And then you also have a storage shed there as well. You can hear the birdies chirping. They've also replaced the outdoor lighting, which is a nice extra touch. And they've also repainted some of the door frames out here. This home, once again, has no HOA, convenient highway access, and convenient access to restaurants and grocery store, and move-in ready. You're not gonna have to do a bunch of family home projects when you move in, because everything is beautiful and ready for you to put your stuff in here and start living and enjoying the space. I'm gonna give you guys a second look at the front real quick. I am a fan of this side entry. It's really cool because you don't have to spend a bunch of time with a whole bunch of extra walkways, and the front door won't get as much direct sunlight that way too. We are at 3724 Chapin Court, and that is in Fort Worth. We're off of Chapin Road. Thank you so much for watching Living in Fort Worth. Enjoy.